Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I hope this video is better than my last video. I had to come back and reshoot my Deck the Year project for today, Thanksgiving. I am in between cooking and cleaning and all that jazz, and so I thought I'd come on real quick and share, and hopefully this will work. Um, this is hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations, and we come on every Thursday to share what we've altered, either an index card, a playing card, or a time card. And it could be any size index card. And so I took out this free digital from Hearth, and yeah, I can't never pronounce the name. Hearth and Yon's studio. This was a freebie she had on her website, and I pulled it out again because I wanted to use it for today. So I am altering an index card. It's a 3x5 index card. There's a 4x6. I think there's even bigger than that, but I only have the 3x5 and the 4x6 size cards. And here is my card. So I covered the index card with pattern paper, book pages, and more pattern paper from my stash. I think these were from Hobby Lobby. And then here's the image. It's just like this image, but I did the girl. I just love how she has her sweater and her scarf, and that's exactly how I dress in the wintertime, or, fall, wintertime. Um, so I fussy cut her out, inked the edges, also inked the edges on the paper. I added some of my faux um, vintage tape that I made a while back. I can't seem to find it now. I know I found it, and now I can't find it again because I sat it somewhere, and I'm in the middle of creating my Christmas card. So I added some leaves. This is just a piece from a pattern paper, Home Sweet Home. And that's it. I called it a day. I thought that was very, what we're thankful for is living every day, being safe, and loving one another. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your Thursday and Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, that those that are celebrating. We should all be thankful for every day that we're here on earth. And so thanks everyone for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.